Well, good afternoon. This is the Honeydew Blues Farm. This is the first episode of our famous goats. We'll head into the farm, or inside the big building here. That's the blue building. Very dark. I'll introduce you to some of the goats. I look like 130. I'm messing with a gate. Some of the little boys. After this first episode, you won't hear me talk often. I'll watch the hilarious goats do all the talking for you. Do, do. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Lovely little females. That's Nala. We have March here. Nala's again. Some other girls in the corner. And we'll continue through the barn on our crusade to find the lovely little goats. As we go out here, we'll meet just about all the rest of the goats. Meet the teenagers, the big goats, all the goats. All the hungry goats. Just gotta make it through all the goats. We have Shadow there, one of the teenagers. Gotta wait for the star to come wherever she is. There's Cinnamon. She's pregnant. This is wow, Wiley. Wiley's a good boy. There's Star. Good night. Wait. Hi. We have all the other goats. It's Speedy. All the goats on a manure pile, which is probably not the smartest idea, but they like to lay on it anyhow. You know, this is Pinky. Pinky's a very awkward goat. The Star again, Midnight, the coolest goat here. This Dinosaur. You could see a lot of her. Everything sounds retarded in this first lovely video of all the goats, but it'll get better. I'll teach you as we go. Speedy again. Each one of these goats have names too. Like this is Junie, obviously has a unibrow. This is Clover. I have no clue why we call her Clover. And this is what the goats are looking around me right now. I don't have much room, they decided to form a circle. I don't know why. We'll go around and show you the rest of the barn. That's Blondie. Big goat. Let's see if one of the goats are silly enough to touch the electric fence, which sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. This is our electric fence. I don't feel like touching it. Even though it'd be funny. You can't see them really good, but them are the donkeys. We're getting that way. Here's all the goats again. There's a goat peeing. There's another goat peeing over there. There's a goat peeing. There's a goat peeing. There's a donkey. There's a goat pooping. Oh, there's another goat pooping. We'll follow the electric fence again. There's Cocoa Puff. There's goats eating trees. It's Bug. These are all the baby goats. Goats are goofy. Here's Nala. Or Nico. Nico, Nala. You just heard that noise? That was a baby goat getting zapped. Freaked out and all, booked it. This is Maple. It's Maple. Maple's gonna get shocked if she doesn't be careful. All the baby goats are deciding to come back now. Here they come. I don't know why. That is an